Hi, would you like to have this good looking HDR50 with power over 32 joules? This is my ordinary Umerix HDR50 Gen 2 as you can see. Let me show you what I can do. I'll be shooting through Air-Chrony chronograph. This gun has stainless steel barrel. I'll be shooting 8 grams 12.5mm steel balls. Make sure to like this video. Let's pierce CO2 and shoot. First drum empty. Let's put in a second. Power with 12 grams CO2 cartridge drops after 4th shot. Let's go back to the lab. This is called Tec9 body kit for HDR50. It came from z-ram.net. It's hand-packed and oh my god, it looks so cool. With this baby, you're going to use both of your hands, as it also has this drum holder aka magazine. It can store 3 loaded drums and here barrel extension cover to match the overall look of this gun. Yes, this is going to be fun project. With kit you will get all needed accessories and parts. Let me show you this magazine. You pop in drums like so for speed loading. This handle can store even 25 grams CO2 cartridge. I'll show you that later. Let's start by disassembling my HDR50 Gen 2. You know it's Gen 2 as it has cool green optics. Unscrew all screws to remove shell and also gain access to drum lock and barrel. Both parts will be needed, so keep them close by. You can pop entire trigger assembly with valve into the Tec9 body kit, just like so with barrel and call it a day. But I'm going bananas and will put in EX25 valve, also available on z-ram.net, to be able to use 25 grams CO2 cartridges. This is your 12 gram cartridge and this monster is 25 gram cartridge, more than double in size. I had to get it from local bike shop as these are used for inflating the tires. Just look at them, oh yeah. So I'll pull apart trigger assembly and pull out stock valve. New EX25 valve has Z extension built in, so chamber is larger. I mentioned bananas, yes, here more tuning parts. Stainless steel firing bolt and pin, some seals and extra Z extension to make chamber even larger. Let's install it all. Bit of Loctite and Z extension can be screwed on. This is ridiculous. Grease on a rubber O-ring, Loctite on firing pin and it can be screwed into the firing bolt. Just like so. Bit of grease down there and EX25 valve can go in. Check out my other HDR50 videos. I'll lubricate moving parts with silicone spray and trigger assembly can be assembled. Now trigger assembly can go into the Tec9 shell. Drop it in to the right side. Barrel and drum lock with spring can go in, pretty much as with stock HDR50. Now fun part. From accessory bag get this L-shaped plastic and this tiny spring. Just spring without a screw. Place spring into the plastic part and place it in through this opening. Then press down and rotate clockwise about 90 degrees so that it faces this way. Done. Close the Tec9 shell. Well, make sure all is lined up and screw in all screws. Get this plastic part, it is extension for drum lock, press it on like so. Done. Next, fish out this ring, put screw in and screw it on the magazine lever like so. perfect. Another thing is this cover for the back, but I can't fit it in. Let's pop in drum. Nice magazine, beautiful and solid. Next I will install my barrel extension and Tec9 barrel cover. There is several screws holding it together. Now it looks like $1 million. Lastly, press in these spring fasteners into the handle holes to help with retaining the handle cover. So this is fully assembled Tec9 body kit. 25 grams CO2 goes in, along with 12.5mm steel balls. Well, it is completely different gun. I love it. Let's shoot. Here, best way to showcase it is along my chicken legs, and as mentioned, I'll be shooting same 8 grams 12.5mm steel balls. I have all 3 drums loaded, 2 in magazine and 1 in the gun. Fresh 25 gram CO2 cartridge goes in. It is threaded so it pierced while it's screwed in. I'll snap on handle cover and yeah, I can shoot with this monster. Let's reload. That's about it. I will release excess gas and unscrew CO2 cartridge. Power increase is amazing and it drops after 6 shot. Understandable, as volume in chamber for single shot was like tripled. If you're into modifying, definitely check out new Tec9 kit for HDR 50. Once again, z-ram.net. Thanks for watching and see you next time.